different roles. In the same process, you can assign different roles to the Vidhan Sabha users. So for the question branch, you firstly need to create a secretary. I'm creating a I'm showing you how can you create the secretary. Same again, I am creating one user. Then you need to you will same process. You will need to write the required fields. After that, you need to click on the save button. Then you same. After that, you need to click on the update profile. When you need to click on the update profile for the Vidhan Sabha secretary, you need to click select a user type as a Vidhan Sabha secretary. A sub user type is the Vidhan Sabha secretary, and you don't need to update anything. And designation, uh, if you want to write a secretary, don't need to select any department. After that, you need to click on the update. Uh, Secretary's role will be assigned from the super admin. So I will log in with the super admin. I will show you how can you assign role to the Vidhan Sabha secretary. Same like you need to go in the access control. Access control, you are able to see the assign role. You need to click on the assign role button, and then you need to select a secretary. And after that, you need to select a radio button secretary. And if you want to assign Minoj, and after that you need to click on the assign button. Click OK. You have assigned the role for the secretary. So I will again log in with the user ID and password to show what Minoj has been assigned. You have seen that I have assigned the role to the secretary. I have created two Vidhan Sabha users. One is the secretary and one is other than secretary, like as a section officer. And how can you assign role to the Vidhan Sabha question branch users and LOB users? Apart from that, I will create one another user in which I will send the role. I will request how can we assign a role to other than question branch and LOB users. So I will create one another user for the reporter.
Can you make an ID user for department secretariat?
Yes, I will show you. Firstly, I will create all. I will demonstrate to how can you create Vidhan Sabha different types of users. After that, I will show you Vidhan Sabha department users, and then I will show you one member profile. I'm creating one reporter user. Uh, How can you assign a role to the reporters? Same, I'm creating a chief reporter profile. This is the name, mobile number, same. And after that, you need to update captcha. You need to click on the save button. After that, you need to log in with the credentials. For updating the profile of the reporter, you need to click on the profile. And you need to select reporter is a Vidhan Sabha user for the Vidhan Sabha secretariat. Then you need to select other than Vidhan Sabha secretary, and you need to select chief reporter. Then you need to select the secretary. I need to click on the update button. After that, when you have clicked on the update button, then you need to go to the send request. Then you need to select the menus which you want to assign for the chief reporter, like a reporter. I have selected the reporter module. If you want to assign other menus, you can select from here and send the rule request. When you have send the two uh, role request for the two menus, you will see there ordering which menu you want to show in our first order. Like I want to show in the one first on the top is the menu will be reporter module, The next item will be shared document. Then you need to click on the checkbox and then update access order. This will be access order will be updated. Menu's access order will be updated when it will be assigned by the Vidhan Sabha secretary. After that, you will log in with with the Vidhan Sabha secretary user credential. ये नहीं उसके पास ये नहीं होगा. ये एक तरह वाला स्टेप जियो भी डाटा नहीं. चलो इसी से बता देते हैं, कोई नहीं. Then you need to click on the access control. After that, you need to click on the pending request, and you will see all the users request here. If you have any user has requested, you can see here. And after that, you need to click on the, and if you want to give access, you can update it, and you need to select on the checkbox, and you can assign the accepted request. Click on the accepted request, the role will be assigned to that user. After that, it will be shown from the pending request. When you accepted a request for the particular user, this user will be shown in the accepted request. And there is also, if you want to reject any request, if you want to update any menu, again you've already assigned. If you want to update any menu, you can click on the view sub access. If you want to update any menu, you don't want to provide this menu again to the particular user, you need to uncheck and click on the update button. It will be automatically updated. So I'm moving to the.
Hello, sir. हेलो सर.
हेलो, हाँ बोलिए
सर. अभी आपने तो सर चीफ रिपोर्टर की आईडी बनाई थी, इसमें रिपोर्टर 04 का वो कर रहे हैं, तो
अभी क्या है, हमने मल्टीपल आईडी बना रखी है, इसलिए अभी जो हमने यूजर बनाया था वो दूसरा यूजर था. ठीक है, आप एक बार, हमने जो यूजर मल्टीपल बनाए हैं इसलिए वो यहाँ पे नहीं शो हो रहा है.
सेक्रेटरी और सर सेक्रेटरी वाला भी आपने बनाया होता है, सेक्रेटरी ls@, सर उस पे भी वो जब आप वो भेज रहे थे रिक्वेस्ट, तो उस पे भी नहीं, वो भी नहीं शो किया था.
नहीं, सुनो, सेक्रेटरी जो आप सेलेक्ट करेंगे, सेक्रेटरी जो अभी आपने उस यूजर को मैं लॉगिन करता हूँ, अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट भेजता हूँ इस यूजर के पास.
जी सर.
तब तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कैसे अब दोबारा हम अपडेट भी कर सकते हैं उसको.
ठीक है.
अभी प्रोफाइल ये लॉक है, इसको अनलॉक करना होगा. वी नीड टू अनलॉक द प्रोफाइल. व्हेन यू हैव अपडेटेड द प्रोफाइल, दिस इज विल लॉक्ड. इसको नोट करो, सुपर एडमिन से देख लेते हैं. एलएस सेक्रेटरी 0 सेक्रेटरी जो लिखा है, एलएस सेक्रेटरी 001. देख लो ना उसको क्या है.
capital S, capital W, capital M, small w, capital Z, U.
Now I've logged in with the secretary, and you can go to the access control, pending request. You are able to see here chief reporter ls@neva.bla. I have given 2 menus, reporter module and shared documents. If you want to update these menus, you can click on the view sub access. You reporter want to see only these sub menus, only you need to work on these sub menus. You need to click on the update. Then you can go to the share document. You need to select all the menus which you want to assign to the particular user. Then you need to click on the accepted request and click on the OK button. User's role has been accepted, and now you can see this user in the accepted request. You can see here, and now I am logging with that particular user credential. You can see menu has been assigned. Okay, can I move to the department